Good morning and welcome to the morning briefing. I'm Jilly Badanes. It's Wednesday, August 12, 2009, and these are the top stories we're following here on WashingtonTimes.com. While his former colleagues in the Senate competed against rowdy crowds in their own town halls, President Obama called for a more peaceful exchange of ideas. He urged people not to let the special interests hijack the debate and even called for skeptics to speak up, promising his plan would save money, not add to the deficit, and would not create any so-called death panels. He urged people to argue over things that are, quote, real, not these wild misinterpretations. U.S. Marines backed by Harrier jets waged an assault on a town in southern Afghanistan early this morning. The area has been held by the Taliban for years, but now U.S. and NATO troops are working to break a Taliban stalemate and protect voting sites ahead of this month's election. A new report from the Energy Department's analysis branch has upset both Democrats and environmentalists. According to the report, Americans would have to double their reliance on nuclear energy by 2030 to meet the low-cost energy goals of the House Democrats' climate change bill. 4 years after Hurricane Katrina, but still most emergency plans barely consider the special needs of elderly and disabled Americans. A report released today by the National Council on Disability reveals a huge gap still exists. Well, that's the news for now. Thanks for watching. Stay logged on to WashingtonTimes.com for these stories and your continuous news updates.